So recently I made a big decision. I decided to get rid of all of my notification on my computer, on my phone. I even turned off my voicemail. And I want to talk about why this is really important, that you getting more control of your life and having more time and less stress in your life by turning off all of your notifications. I was getting ridiculous amount of notification from apps I didn't even knew I installed half a year ago. And a lot of those apps just want you to continue using them. Some apps are using ads to just reactivate you as a user. So they're sending you all kinds of messages for no apparent reason other than trying to manipulate you to use the app again, which is of no value to you. When I need an app, I just search on my phone, then I use it. I don't need to be reminded of every single app. If I install 5 apps to take pictures, I don't have to be reminded to take another picture. That's number one, the low quality of the notifications. Then the second thing is the psychological effect that notification have. So what I noticed every time my phone was buzzing, it was drawing away my attention. So I was naturally, every time something was buzzing, I look on my phone, there is a bunch of notification. I want to know what's going on. So every time some notification was coming in, the moment instantaneously would distract me from getting the work done. I was distracted even if I just ignore the message. In my mind, it was still in the mind what was that, something important? Should I check it? Maybe it was an important email. And then you're getting distracted by thinking about something that's completely irrelevant. So what I found out was when I turned off the notification, I was at ease. It was such a relaxing experience, just not getting reminded all the time. I just found whenever I actually used the phone, I was I had my stats running. I was picking up the phone sometimes 60, 80 times per day. It now dropped down to 10 to 15 times per day. And I noticed that I could actually do stuff in bulk. So whenever I pick up my phone, I check my emails. There's 15 emails in my inbox. I can quickly archive, delete, reply. It gets much faster if I can do something in bulk, not replying to every single message. Unsubscribing from a lot of emails. It's really highly recommended. There's a couple of tools that I can recommend. One is Unroll, which can help you to unsubscribe from a lot of emails in bulk. Then you can also load manually. Once I also started turning off my voicemail, I noticed that the amount of work, what's happening when you have a voicemail is that actually people, they're kind of leaving you a message and they're expecting you to reply. So what happens if you turn off your voicemail? People have to find another way of communicating. So either it was not important, then they just forget about it, so you're not getting a second call, or it was important and they're going to make sure that they call you at least twice at a later point, or they're going to send you an email, or they find another way of communicating. So this way is a very great filter how you can make sure that anyone who's reaching out to you is actually something important that is worth your time. It's not distracting you from the work done. And yeah, also a really great recommendation. I turned my phone into do not disturb mode 24/7, but this also has a really great impact on my productivity, because I noticed when people as I said with a voicemail, when people are trying to reach me and it's something important, they have to find another way how they can reach me, or they have to be mindful of my time. They have to send me an email in advance and request a specific time so we can actually schedule the meeting, and then I can turn off my phone to be reachable, or we can meet in Zoom or Skype. This is way more structured, gives me way more time. I'm not at anyone's disposal. Whenever they want to call me, they can just phone and distract me from my workflow. No, this way I'm forcing everyone who wants to communicate with me to actually take the time to schedule something in advance, so I can actually plan out the time, so I can have all my calls in bulk one afternoon, and I'm not having them 1 in the morning, then can't really start doing any work because I'm getting distracted if I have another call where I have to spend some time. So this is a really great way how you can structure your time, how you can get more out of your life, being less stressed because you don't have to check your phone every 5 minutes. Your phone is not buzzing, you're not getting any notifications. Your email pop-up is appearing empty until you open it. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Do you have notification? Do you have a ton of email newsletters that are distracting to you? Do you receive a lot of phone calls that are distracting? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure that you subscribe for more productivity tips here on my channel.